Salutations, fellow chemists. Welcome to this video, which applies to both GCSE and A-level, but it's all about titrations, and we need to be able to label and draw the equipment for a titration setup. I've drawn that very quickly for us over here, but can you label these before I do? Let's get started. First one, this here is going to be our burette. There's a double T in burette, it's quite a tricky word to spell. And the part here labeled as B is the tap that is going to allow us to dispense the volume and turn it off when we need, and also add the liquid drop-wise as well. And the burette allows you to add continuous flows of small amounts of a liquid as well. And looking at C, C is a conical flask. We use a conical flask because it's easier to swirl, and we also need to make sure the conical flask is placed on a white tile. So we need a white tile so that we can see the color change for our indicator nice and clearly. Part E here is just a clamp. That clamp is to secure our burette in an upright position and to make sure that we don't get any errors when we're reading off our burette as well, and to keep it secure. Next, let's have a look at what we use to fill up the conical flask before we do our titration. So F here is going to be a volumetric pipette, and that allows you to add a specific volume. Usually that's around 25 centimeters cubed, and it is precision engineered to allow us to get that value as closely as possible. So looking at G here, we need to use some sort of filler to fill this up. There are two types that you might see. Hopefully we can show you some pictures in this video as well. But this one here and that one here are basically doing the same job, and those are called pipette fillers. I'm going to move this down here so I have a bit more space. Pipette fillers, and that is it for everything you need to conduct a titration experiment. So hopefully you found that useful. Make sure you check out my resources as well, and I will see you in the next video.